I was with the view that this man can visit Kenya and see how we cook our own things. I love the way he explains and gives opinions on other people cooking departments. Let's listen.
What you doing? Drain the... Oh my God! You're killing me, woman! Hiya, drain the... She's draining rice with colander. Hi.
Oh, Uncle Roger.
Hello, my name...
I love the way this guy gives his opinion on foods and these other things, and I've subscribed to his YouTube channel. I think you subscribe and also see ideas on how to make money online and how to give opinion on other videos, and then you can also make your own channel. You see, I just love the way he gives it, and the way he does it is quite an amazing thing. You just have to look at how he does it with passion, with criticism, and that comic part of it. It brings out the videos alive to an extent that I just love this guy. Let's listen to Uncle Roger as he gives us this. He gives the opinion on, I don't know, it's the BBC video that he was sent to by another guy. Let me see. You see,
It's Uncle Roger. Today I will react to a video sent to me by a fan. It's the BBC Good Food How to Make Egg Fried Rice video. What is BBC? Let me see. Is it like something dirty? Like,
you see, he behaves as if he doesn't know the BBC, but that is what he's trying to go and see. So he was invited to comment and give his views about that. So that is how creativity can lead you to and get a lot of videos when it comes to creating a good video. Let's listen to what he said.
oh, it's the British Broadcasting Corporation. Okay. That BBC is okay. Uncle Roger not into the other BBC. Let's play the video.
I know the BBC this guy talking about is the other one. I think you get him. But the videos that he has been doing, I want him in Kenya. And I think one of these fine days is I'll also connect up with him so that we share with him how we do our own foods, like our own ugali or something, and then we see how he can react on the food. I think he would say it's bullshit, I don't know. But Uncle Roger has made a video and it has gone viral, and it's in less than 2 weeks, almost to 6 million views. Yes, I'll show you the screenshot. It's here. Then you see 6 million views on only less than 2 weeks. What is the strategy, and what are some of the things he put forward, and the comic part he has to enable him get such videos? Sorry.
Drain it. Scare ghost, but you scare egg fried rice. Failure.
This is really simple, it's cheap, it's delicious, really satisfying, and it's like a takeaway, but you haven't paid £8 for it.
Who pay £8 for takeaway egg fried rice? My God, they think money go on tree. Pay
That is
£8 for egg
Uncle
fried
Roger.
rice.
You need to also. Hey, now let's show us.
A lot
You
of
see.
people get afraid of cooking with rice, but you can follow a really
Of course, I
simple
cannot also do
routine
this
for
because
every
I cannot
part
use
rice
that
you have.
rice and then I put water and then add in and measure with that. Listen to
Why
Uncle
you
Roger.
measure water with cup? Just use finger.
Finger,
You put rice, put water
finger.
up to finger. First
This-
join
that-
the finger. That's how you measure the water. Not with
Uncle
this
Roger.
cup. First